Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here and TGI Friday. Of course, this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Make sure you stop by TipRanks TV to catch some great ad-free exclusive content and say good morning in the comments over there. I'll be hanging out in the comments section following this morning's video. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. We are ending the week with U.S. stock futures in the green. Currently, Dow futures are up 0.39%, S&P 500 futures up 0.33%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.35%. Tech giant Alphabet's ambitious drone delivery service unit, Wing, took its first flight in Texas yesterday. Wing is successfully running operations in Australia and Finland, with almost 200,000 commercial drone deliveries carried out in Australia. The first round of commercial deliveries will be launched in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, with service to tens of thousands of suburban homes in the city of Frisco and town of Little Elm. They're going to start delivering health and wellness products, ice cream, prescription pet medications, and first aid kits. They have tie-ups with Walgreens, Bluebell Creameries, EasyVet, and Texas Health for the same. With unanimous buy ratings, the Google stock comes in with an average upside potential of over 28%. Cybersecurity tech company CrowdStrike revealed that it's recently entered into a strategic partnership with Mandiant to help customers fight off cybersecurity breaches. Under the terms of the partnership, the CrowdStrike Falcon platform will be utilized by Mandiant for its incident response services and proactive consulting engagements for joint customers. Further, the Mandiant Managed Defense offering will support customers using the Falcon platform later this year. The CEO of CrowdStrike said that CrowdStrike has worked with Mandiant many times over the years, and there is a mutual respect for the caliber of technical and team expertise we both bring to the fight. Analysts rate the CrowdStrike stock a strong buy with an average upside just shy of 24%. And the State Administration of Market Supervision in China said that Tesla will be recalling over 127,000 vehicles due to a defect in some semiconductor components. The EV giant said that the fault is not a manufacturing defect, but a design flaw and could cause collisions. According to Tesla, the driver will not be able to start the vehicle if the semiconductor component fails when the car is parked. The car will also lose its driving power if the component fails when the vehicle is in motion. The recall will include Model 3 cars produced between January 2019 and January 2022. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy, with recent sell ratings pushing the price target down to a downside of nearly 5%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Today is very quiet for earnings, but next week things will pick up with a lot of big banks reporting like JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, and Goldman Sachs. Last night, we heard from WD40. Their stock is on the rise following their Q2 earnings beat. Their earnings per share improved to $1.41 from $1.24 the year ago and beat the consensus estimates of just $1.01. They reported sales growth of over 16% year over year to $130 million, beating the consensus of $126.7 million. They have just one analyst rating that is a hold with no price target. And earlier in the day, we also heard from Constellation Brands, who came out with better than expected results for their fourth quarter. Their non-GAAP earnings were $2.55 per share, above the consensus estimates of $2.09 per share, and increased 32% on a year-over-year basis. Their revenue stood at $2.1 billion, up 8% from the year-ago quarter, and also ahead of analyst estimates of $2.02 billion. Analysts rate their stock a strong buy with an average upside of 12%. Now let's see which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by WD40 following their earnings report. Under the ticker WDFC, the company is currently up just over 9%. They're followed by the Flex stock under the ticker FLEX. They're up 8.8% after they expanded their 15-year partnership with microinverter supplier Enphase Energy. And Quali stock under the ticker QLYS, they're up 7.4% on no distinct news. Our biggest losers this morning are led by XP, though I wasn't able to find any distinct news behind the decline. Trading under the ticker XP, the stock is down about 6.9%. They're followed by Lexington Realty under the ticker LXP. Their stock is down about 6.6%. And Booz Allen under the ticker BAH. They're down about 4.8%. So that is going to be everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you head over to TipRanks TV and say good morning in the comments over there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you back here next time.